everyone, my name is Jess, and today I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial of how to upload banner images and watermarks to your YouTube channel. These two things are super important because banner images allow your viewers to know exactly what your channel is all about, and watermarks is a way to get your logos in your videos, and it allows the viewers to click on them to subscribe to your channel. So let's get started. So you want to start out by typing in youtube.com in the browser that you choose, and then you want to make sure you're signed in. So if you're not signed in to YouTube, go ahead and do that now, but click on your icon on the top right corner and go to your channel. Click on your channel and you will get to this button, customize channel. Click that. This will pop up your customization part of your channel. So what you want to do is you want to click branding. Here you can see my profile picture is already there, but we want to add a banner image. So go ahead and click upload a certain, now this image requires certain megabytes, so make sure it's there. And then you are able to move around this blue cropped box, and it shows you exactly where your title or your image will appear on different screens, like all the devices, desktop, TV. Press done in the bottom right corner, and there you can kind of see it in the image. Now we want to add a video watermark. These are really important because these can be like business logos or any type of logo that you want to have people click on in your video. So go ahead and choose the image, and you can also crop this image down to your logo. So I cropped it really small as I could, and you can click on the box and move it around like so. And that looks good to me. So then I just press done in the bottom right hand corner. So they have different options: end of video, custom start time, and throughout the entire video. It just depends on what you want. So I played around with it and I just did a custom start time. You got to make sure you type in the right time because I didn't at first. But this is a very important step. You want to have a watermark in all your videos. Like I said, it's just another marketing tool to have people subscribe to your video. I pressed 10 seconds, so that means it will show up after 10 seconds of the video. And then I'm gonna go up to the top. So go up and press the publish button on the top right, and you'll see it will load, and then boom, it's published. So now you can go to your channel by clicking what popped up at the bottom, but I missed it, or you can click view channel at the top. Now you're able to view channel, and you can see tutorials with Jess is up there. If I click on a video to test my watermark, it should appear after 10 seconds, which it did. The only issue is it was covering my face when I started talking in the video. But this button, you can just hit subscribe right there, and that's super key. I didn't like the position because my face was covered, so I'm gonna go back, and I'm going back into channel customization, and I am going to change where it or when it appears. I don't really care if it appears at the end, because at the very end of my video I am done talking basically. So I just pressed at the end of the video, and then you have to make sure you press publish again. So that is how you add banner images and watermarks to your YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like these, go ahead and click the video up here, or you can see the playlist down below. Thank you. See you next time.